Most people get this wrong when they first try Fetch Rewards. They think it's a quick way to make serious money online, and then they end up disappointed. Here's the truth no one tells you. Fetch Rewards isn't designed to replace your income. It's designed to reward purchases you're already making. The real question is whether those rewards are worth the time and effort in 2026. In this video, I'll give you an honest Fetch Rewards review, explain how it works, discuss the pros and cons, and help you decide whether it's worth using this year. Let's get straight to the answer. Fetch Rewards is a receipt rewards app that allows users to earn points by submitting eligible shopping receipts. Those points can typically be redeemed for various rewards available through the platform. The process is simple. You shop as normal, upload eligible receipts, earn points, and work toward redeemable rewards. For example, Alex buys groceries every week. Instead of throwing away his receipts, he uploads them to Fetch Rewards and gradually accumulates points from purchases he was already making. That's the core idea behind the app. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest advantages of Fetch Rewards is simplicity. Unlike some cashback apps that require activating offers before shopping, receipt-based rewards can often feel more straightforward for casual users. This makes the platform appealing to people who want a simple rewards experience without spending a lot of time managing offers. But here's the problem. Many users expect huge earnings. This is where most people fail. The value of rewards depends on factors like shopping habits, eligible purchases, available promotions, and how consistently the app is used. Someone who shops regularly and uploads receipts consistently may accumulate rewards faster than someone who uses the app occasionally. In a minute, I'll show you who benefits the most from Fetch Rewards. Let's talk about the downsides. Like most rewards apps, earnings are generally tied to consumer spending. If you aren't shopping frequently, or forget to upload receipts, your rewards may build more slowly. Also, buying products you don't need just to earn rewards usually defeats the purpose of saving money. Now here's where it gets even more important. The users who get the most value from Fetch Rewards are typically people who already make regular grocery, household, and everyday purchases. They treat rewards as a bonus rather than a reason to spend more. For example, John already shops for his family each week. By consistently uploading receipts, he earns additional rewards without changing his normal routine. So is Fetch Rewards worth your time in 2026? For many users, yes. If you're already making everyday purchases and don't mind taking a few seconds to upload receipts, the app can provide extra value over time. However, it's best viewed as a savings tool rather than a significant income source. Let's quickly recap. Fetch Rewards is simple to use, rewards everyday shopping, and can provide extra value if used consistently. Just keep realistic expectations and focus on purchases you already plan to make. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more cashback and rewards app reviews, and let us know in the comments whether you've tried Fetch Rewards and what your experience has been.